Dia Browser Review. Dia Browser is an AI-first web browser created by the Browser Company, the developers of Arc, built on Chromium and currently in beta for Mac. Dia features a ChatGPT-style assistant that interweaves with your tabs, browsing history, and writing flows, designed to let you chat with your tabs rather than rely on external AI tools. So here's why it's legit and useful. Although it's not better than Google Chrome, here's some features. It has some integrated AI assistant. They have efficiency and resource savings. They even have a proactive AI skills and they have privacy-forward approach. Dia encrypts browsing data locally and processes AI queries server-side for milliseconds and deletes them immediately, minimizing the cloud exposure. Although it comes with limitations and considerations, while Dia is still learning, it is also for learning. They have a beta quality and missing features. They lack the Arc's power user tools like vertical tabs, spaces, deep customization, or robust bookmark organizations. They even have AI assistants which feels shallow. So in conclusion, is it better than Chrome? Well, not quite yet. Although Dia offers a compelling sneak peek into AI native browsing, it's lighter than Chrome.